For our warm-up activity today, we're looking at content and vocabulary, and I would like you to get to know this Pennsylvania Standard Aligned System website well. This is where we go to plan our curriculum and our activities, but it's also where we can look at the themes that you'll teach with the different grade levels of learners that you have. So today we're going to start by going to Curriculum Framework. And once we're in the curriculum framework, I have to click on it twice, we are going to choose the grade level. So I'd like you to pick whatever grade level you'd like. I'm going to choose kindergarten today, but you can choose anything up to 4th grade. And we'll save that area. And then we go into the subject area. And we're going to choose a content area. So that's going to be something other than English language arts. Now, you could choose mathematics, but for this activity, I don't want you to. I want you to choose science, history, and social studies. You could even choose something in the arts and humanities category. And we see the sciences over here as well: geography, history, world languages, anything that is a content area that is not mathematics or language arts. So I'm going to choose, let's do geography today and see if we have anything under geography for kindergarten. Once you've chose those two, it should, underneath, give you your big ideas for kindergarten. And these are the geography curriculum responsibilities you'll have. So I see geography is used to explain the past, interpret the present, plan for your future, geographic representations, blah, 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 physical processes, places and regions, characteristics and distributions, human actions. I'm interested in knowing more about this, so I'm going to select this one. And we see the essential question, and there are 4 essential questions, and they break down into concepts that we will teach and competencies we will ask the students to do. The competencies are basically your objective in the lesson. The concept would be the theme that you would do that in. So I'm going to look here. People depend on and modify the physical environment. Humans adapt their activities to the physical environment. I like this one. So when I select this, humans adapt their activities to the physical environment, and illustrate examples of how humans adapt. I'm thinking of what theme would I be able to have in my classroom to teach this skill? And I immediately think of physical environment as outside with weather. And so I could see using this for a weather theme, where we would talk about how we dress for going outside in different seasons. And if it's raining, what do we have to get out? Well, let's get our rain boots. Let's put on our raincoats. Let's put on grab our umbrellas, put our hoods up. Oh, it's snowing. We need our snow boots and our hats and our gloves and our shovels. Oh, we're at the beach, so let's make sure that we have our bathing suits and our sunscreen and our hats, sunglasses. So I can really easily see from this concept what kind of theme I could plan for a unit a week. And that's what we do when we are planning for our learners. We have to think about, what content do I have to teach, and how do I integrate that theme into my classroom so I can teach not only my science, my social studies, my health, but I can also integrate my math and my language arts. And this should sound vaguely like what you do when you do the weekly literature sharing. We're determining what theme we can use that book for and how we can extend it across the curriculum. And that will be the focus of this week. So for our warm-up activity, I want you to go back to that curriculum framework. Remember how it looked? You're going to choose your grade level and your subject. And it doesn't matter. You don't have to choose geography. You can choose history. You can choose science. You can choose social studies. You can choose art. But from those concepts and competencies, you're going to figure out a theme. And then what you're going to do, let's see if it's still over here. Give me 1 second. You're going to follow the link into Padlet, and you're going to tell me, and I have a different example on here, but you're going to tell me your theme, that's number 1. Number 2 is your grade level. Number 3 is your content area. The content area will be, again, what you selected under subject area. Then we have whatever is your anchor, and then you'll write down the concept, the competency, and then an activity you could do within this theme. I'm doing this so you get used to planning from this website, because that is really the basis of that lesson planning that you will have to do in any pre-K to grade 4 institution you'll teach at. So have fun with this and play around with that website to become more familiar with it. Good luck.